Okay, adding your YouTube channels. This is a two-part process. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the settings, and when you're in the settings, you want to add at least one API key, YouTube API key. Now, it takes literally 2 minutes to create one of these API keys. We have a step-by-step Google Doc that will show you, and I did one last week. I did a couple last week actually, and I was kind of putting it off, and I was waiting for Tanya to come in, and I needed to do it quickly, and I just followed the instructions. And it literally took 2 minutes, and I was kind of surprised. I mean, I don't like to do that kind of thing. It's not something I'm very patient with, but it was not, you know, it was painless, literally, to get it done. It was really quick. Okay, so if you want to use different emails or different Gmails that have got multiple YouTube accounts in each, then I would do one API key for each one. Okay. That way you can separate them, especially when you're doing things like multiple playlists and multiple Gmail accounts. When you've added them in here, and you go over into your accounts, then we can create some YouTube accounts. Okay, so we can add some YouTube accounts, and all you're going to do is you're going to click on add. Okay, you put in the Gmail username, the password. You will choose the API key you want to use. Okay, and you have to choose YouTube from this drop down. Okay, you click on OK, and it's going to log in. Okay, you're going to see a mini browser pop up, and you have to follow along with that mini browser. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now because I've already got these set up, and I can't blank my password here to show you. Okay, so once you have done that, and you just let the software do its work. If you've got a double verification, you're going to have to verify. Then you get a little pop-up that says confirm it's you. That's the only time you ever use any part of that browser popping up. Once that's done, then come in here and click on checkbox the one you want to authorize, and click on start authorizing APIs. And what that will do, what it means is that once you have authorized here, you won't have that pop-up showing every time you log in to do an update in the software. Okay, so if you've got like 10 playlists you're going to do within that Gmail account, you don't have to log in for every single playlist that's getting created or every time you update it. That's what was happening with the previous version of this. Okay, we've added this here to start authorizing APIs. Once you have authorized, it's going to be authorized for your machine, okay, for your computer, and it will save you a lot of time. It's really fast in future as well. So it might be slow at first time you do this to confirm to add your YouTube account. It's only the first time, and then after that it's really quick, really easy. Just make sure you got a different API for each email that you're going to use. Okay, thanks.